I bet you didn't know growing tomatoes could be this easy. Let's turn your garden into a tomato paradise. First, pick high-quality tomato seeds and soak them for 8-12 hours. This boosts germination. Next, prep your soil. Use well-drained, fertile soil mixed with organic compost. It's like a spa day for your plants. Time to sow. Plant the seeds in small pots and water them regularly. In 4-6 weeks, when they're 5-6 inches tall, transplant them into your garden with plenty of space to grow. Now, care and maintenance. Water often but avoid soggy soil. Mulch helps retain moisture, and find a sunny spot. They love sunbathing. Support your plants with stakes or trellises. And fertilize with potassium and phosphorus-rich compost 2 weeks after transplanting. Watch out for pests and diseases. Organic pesticides and neem oil are your best friends here. Finally, after 80-100 days, your tomatoes will be ripe for the picking. Gently twist and pull them off. With these steps, you'll be harvesting fresh, tasty tomatoes in no time.